Hello there, welcome to this short tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to insert document properties into a Microsoft document. First, let's begin by creating a new document. Launch your document. Assuming I want to insert the file name into the header of this document, I'll have to activate the header by going to the Insert section. Under the header and the footer, I'll select the header and click on blank header. I'll delete whatever information is there. Now with my header active and my cursor inside the header, I'll navigate to the Quick Paths section. I'll go to the field, go to the file name, and format it the way I want: lowercase, uppercase, first capital or title case. Let me take the title case. Okay, and there it is, my file name inside the header of my document. The best part about this is whenever the document changes, the document name changes, I can automatically update the name inside my document by just hovering over it and right clicking and updating the field. Let's do this practically. Save my document, close. I rename my document. I launch my document again. To update my field, I'll just hover on to, first of all, I activated my header, and then I hover on to the document name. I right click and I update the field. That is all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.